Okay guys, let's talk about the HY300 projector brightness settings. As you can see, I have the projector already working, and back there on the wall I have the main screen, okay? So I just need to come here to settings, and from here you find this setting for the projector. So projection settings, that's the one to go. In the first menu here you see the display settings, all right? So you have pictures modes, different ones. If you change here, for example, you can go to standard and then cinema, bright, and custom. Okay, I like to use custom because here you can control the brightness, for example. It comes by default with 50. So that's the way you see it. And when you start increasing here, you're gonna see the brightness going up. But there's an effect here. Take a look here that you see this extra light coming here, right? So as higher as you go, you see this extra light here. So I'm coming to 100% now. It's not that readable anymore, so it's not good to come to 100%, and it doesn't improve that much. So if you go down, for example, if you have a location that's too bright, you can come up to 70%. There we go. Then a little bit down, I would say 64. Yeah, 64 is good enough. You don't see the extra light here, and the image is still pretty good. Okay, it's not too bright. So don't go too high on this one, otherwise you're gonna have problems, right? Then you can also change a little bit of the contrast here as well, a little bit up. I like 60%, and the sharpness. So you're gonna have the text in your presentation pretty good. If you go like 55, that's good enough for me. Okay, so that's basically my recommendation. Okay, I'm not changing the hue, but neither the saturation, because I think they are good enough. So more on the brightness side and contrast and a little bit of the sharpness, okay? So I hope this helps, okay? So that's the way I set up the HY300 projector brightness settings. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your comments, and I see you in the next one.